Welcome to episode 1 of the 2-Minute Mechanic. Today, we are starting with the heart of your vehicle, the engine. You turn the key, you hear the roar, but what is actually happening inside that metal box? Think of the engine as a giant air pump that uses controlled explosions to create power. It works in a simple 4-step cycle. It sucks in air and fuel, squeezes them tight, lights a spark to create a mini explosion, and then pushes the exhaust out. That explosion pushes a piston down, which creates the motion that moves your car. It is exactly like riding a bicycle. Your legs are the pistons moving up and down. The pedals are the crankshaft that turns that up and down energy into spinning wheels. The harder you pedal, or the faster the explosions happen, the faster you go. Here is the secret tip that saves engines. Metal rubbing against metal creates massive heat. The only thing stopping your engine from melting is a thin layer of oil. Never skip an oil change. Old oil turns into sludge, and sludge is like cholesterol for your car's heart. It will kill it. Another pro tip. Start your car and wait just 15 seconds before driving. You don't need to warm it up for 10 minutes, but give the oil a few seconds to circulate from the bottom of the pan to the top of the engine. Driving hard immediately on a cold start is the fastest way to wear out those pistons. Now that the engine has created the power, how does the car control that speed? That is the job of the transmission. Join me tomorrow for episode 2, where we explain the magic of gears.